Okay, so I'm on page 6 of our Thanksgiving review packet. So let's go to page 6. And the directions are asking, for each equation, we need to create an XY table and then graph. So let's do number 1. So I'm going to have my XY table, and I need to see your XY table for each one of these questions. So I'm going to choose values for X and then plug them into my equation and see what Y is and plot those points. I'm just going to choose -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are usually a safe bet. So plugging in -2, well, since I have Y is equal to X, that means Y is equal to, I'm replacing -2 with X there, so Y is equal to -2. And I see a pattern here. If Y equals X, then they're going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to plot all those points, and I'm going to have -2, -2, point, -1, -1, point, 0, 0, point, 1, 1, point, 2, 2, point, and I have my line. So I want you guys to do your table and then see trends. Let's do another one. Let's do Y. Let's do number 11. Okay, so I'm going to do my XY table, and I'm going to choose those same numbers, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And I'm going to plug in for X and see what I get for Y. So Y is equal to -1/4 times X, which is -2. But look what I'm going to do to this -2. I'm going to put it over 1 because it's easier for me to see this over 1. I can when I multiply straight across. So when I have this fraction, I'm going to multiply -1 times -2, which gives me a +2. 4 times 1 gives me 4. And I have this -3 out here still. So 2 over 4 gives me 1/2 -3. Well, I know I can combine these. They're both numbers, so I'm going to write -3 over 1. But now we're subtracting. So if I'm subtracting, I need my denominators to be the same. So 1 times 2, whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So I'm going to have 1/2 -6 over 2. So this is going to give me a -5 over 2. So that was a lot of work. When X is -2, Y is -5 over 2. Now when I plot this point, I know X is going to be -2. Now when I'm thinking of Y as -5 over 2, I compare it to something that I know. I know that -4 over 2 is -2. So that means -5 over 2 is a half lower than that -2. So I'm going to go down 2, because that would be -4 over 2. And if I want -5 over 2, it's just a little bit lower than that. And I'm just estimating it there. So I want you guys to plug in these rest of the points to do number 11.